Welcome back to Gadgets, Gimmicks and Tech, and we're looking at another quad bike. This is a bit more complete than the Kawasaki which we've got, but we can't really identify it at the moment. All it's got on the side here is Teng Tools, but they say that they don't make quad bikes. If anybody out there has got any idea who this could be made by, please put a comment down below, because I really need to know who this quad bike's made by. Looks rather nice. It's actually got indicators and fog lights and a headlight, but there's no identification on it whatsoever. I don't even know what size engine it's got or anything. The starter motor on it was faulty. That's separately to it at the moment, but half an hour of taking it apart and cleaning it up, I've got it going again, so I'm going to be refitting the starter motor very shortly. But like I say, there's absolutely no identification marks on it whatsoever. I've got a new battery ordered for this one as well. So anyway, thanks for having a look, but if you know anything about what this could be, please leave a comment. Well, here's a little bit of a better look of it stripped down. I've got it into my workshop now, managed to take all the cowlings off. And I've even got the starter motor put back onto it, although I can't bolt it on because I think they're Imperial threaded bolts on this. It does work. The starter motor's down here. I don't know if you can see it terribly well, but I've got it to go, which is a good start. I'm not going to do any more than that. It's got headlights that work as well, and generally a couple of lights. The indicators are working on the front, haven't got them working on the back. I've got to get a new rear light because that's smashed. It seems to be a 5 lead out of the stator. Where are we? At the top, when I find it. Yeah, 5 lead out from there. And I think also it's a 4 lead regulator and rectifier there. That needs changing because I believe that's faulty. The 5 lead DCI box is missing, so I'm going to try and buy a generic one. But I still have no clue whatsoever whose make this is. So as I said earlier, anyone's got any clues, please put a comment below. Thank you.